everyone, it's Els van der Burgt here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you a sparkling card featuring our newest Snowflake die set. So I'm going to create a simple card with the Merry Christmas inside. So a card that you can, if you need to send out a lot of Christmas cards, it's an easy one to create. So the die sets I'm using are the Snowflake die set. So it comes with 3 different snowflakes. The Merry Christmas, then the the fitted rounded squares die set and the stitched rounded square die set, and they mix and match together, so beautiful sets together. Then the cool diamond silk microfine glitter, our clear double-sided adhesive, and our white soft finish cardstock, of course. So I just want to show you a few samples. So these are the 3 snowflakes that come in the set, and I actually made like a cute little ornament with this one already, you see, so I added 2 together. So beautiful, beautiful I love snowflakes. Never can have enough snowflakes because they're always beautiful. And then I have a few sample cards here. And I want to start with this one. Like, this is actually not a card, it's a little bookmark. Anita Isendorf created that one. So she uses the fishtail ones. And then you see, so she had it open on the back. And you can use it as a bookmark. How fun is that for Christmas, as a little gift? Wonderful idea. And then these are 2 cards. This is one that Josette created, so it has a snowflake on the back here. And this is one from Anita as well, and she also used one of the snowflakes as a background. So not just used by itself, but also use it on other projects. So let's start making this card. So first of all, of course, I'm going to glitter the snowflake. So I'm going to bring in my glitter tray. So I'm using the cool diamond. So what I did, so I die cut a snowflake out of white cardstock with our double-sided adhesive on top. And this is the little dropout piece, you see, so it's basically a leftover, but I'm going to use that, kind of offset it a little bit. I'm going to use that on the card as well. And I'm going to carefully remove this because you can imagine this will make a really nice stencil for another card. So again, try to not touch the sticky. And in this case, I think I'm just going to dump the glitter on there because since it's in my coffee filter, it's very easy to put it back into my jar. So now I know the glitter is everywhere right away. Polish it a little bit and then I'm going to brush it off. And you see I'm doing it with my fingers this way because you don't want to kind of curl the tips or... So this is just a very easy way to... So that's enough. And then I have the little piece here. I'm just going to dump that in there as well. And then take my tweezer to pick it out. Again, brush it off a little bit. Make sure we don't have any loose glitter left. Same with the small part. Put my glitter tray away. So that's my snowflake. And then as you can see on the card, I'm going to decorate it with the glitter dots, and I'm going to put a pearl in the center. So and again, this is the stencil that's a leftover, so definitely save that one. So I'm going to take my fine pointed tweezer and I'm going to add the glitter dots. Just make sure that you put them like on the same spot at the, well, that's what I think. If you want to do it different, of course, but I like to be kind of be symmetric a bit. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to put this here. I'm going to leave the center because I'm going to put it on the card first. So put that aside. So then we're going to put the card together. And I need to show you because, you know, so this is the silver cardstock that's going on here. And actually when I cut this, I actually run another die on there. So I have this to go because otherwise I think it's a waste of the... Sometimes I just leave it, but sometimes I put like an extra die on there so I have an extra piece to use. So this one, just a double-sided adhesive on the back. And then center it nicely. Okay, then I have the other rounded square and I have like 3D foam tape on the back of this one. So, and that's going to fit perfectly in this one. So you will still see the stitching around it. So the Merry Christmas. So what I did, so double-sided adhesive on the back, of course. And then as you can see, I peel out the inside pieces first. Some come out completely, but some don't fall out, so it's just like I just pick up the inside part, and that's easier for me because then they don't stick to the word when you transfer it. So I always pick out all the inside pieces first. So I'm going to put this on the inside of the card. I'm going to use my tweezer. So that's that one. Beautiful, beautiful die set from Suzanne Cannon. Merry Christmas. And with the snowflake, you will see me do that a lot. Like so I use a Kids Choice glue, but I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here because I don't want to have it all glued down. So that's that one. And then I have the little center. I'm going to put those up a little bit so we have some dimension there. I'm just going to offset it from the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to put some of the glitter dots in the center. Just kind of going around. And then I'm going to add a pearl in the middle. I choose the larger one here. If you choose like these overlap, if you don't want that, you can choose a smaller glitter dot as well. But so that's, and then I'm going to take a self-adhesive pearl and put that in the center here. And then your card is ready. So with the beautiful script inside, and that's your snowflake card. Thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple of videos for you to watch. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the free project sheet for supplies, measurements and step-by-step instructions. See you next time.